Please bow your heads and let us pray. Dear Jesus, please show me how to spend this day hearing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and love and have lots of fun, shining your light and your face. Angel of God, the guardian dear, to whom God's love comes.
May bayang dito na.
May bayang.
Here, to whom God's love commits me here, and this day be at my side, to guide and guard, to lead and guide. Amen.
Sila na run, friend.
Mag-destroy sila na just introduction lang. Just virtual na lang. Let's welcome the candidates for their introduction number, music, Commander. Commander ang pangalan.
Thank you.
let's welcome your host, international and runway model, Louie Bautista.
Thank you so much for welcoming everybody. Nice to see you all. Well, hello people around the continent. How are you doing? Today, 5 continent queens will show their charismatic beauty and of course intelligence as they respond from the random questions coming from you all. And of course from our selection committee. Your ratings will determine how in choosing the next 2024 Miss Continental Education. Are you excited to the next winner? Yes! Well, only one of them will be crowned. Beforehand, to formally become a representative of their beloved continent, let's first know them well. This is Mass Continental Education 24 Sashing Ceremony and Press Conference. And to sash this beautifully confident Continental delegates, let's welcome the owner of the Mass Continental Education, Mr. Rusty Sylvia.
So, good afternoon everybody. So, I am the owner of Miss Continental Education. Nawab is my opposing, what we call that? Contra. And then you will have your rating from this candidate. So as the owner of the Miss Continental Education, our purpose and the topic that we are going to enhance is the lesson chunking and the effective teaching. So this is our slogan, or this is our advocacy in this year for the Miss Continental Education. And then, to formally sash these wonderful and beautiful candidates, let's welcome the 2023 Miss Continental Education, Miss Jacqueline Aparici.
Here you are, everybody. Let's cheer from our official delegates. This time, without further ado, it's time for the interview. Each delegate will present the results and answer the interview questions coming from our selection committee. The interview consists of topics of lesson, chunking, and effective teaching. So, they will answer 2 questions. Listen, and current company executive officer of Miss Company. The number one best-selling makeup in the US, we have Mrs.
Miss. And of course, we have our recruit judges and the two Victoria's Super Angel model. We have Diana May Torrijos, Sumalidog, and June Torrijos. Okay, at this time, let's begin the judge interview.
Patungi ko ng bangko doon.
So, let's welcome Miss Asia.
Dahil wala yan. Ulit din eh.
Why do you think
Ato ka. Ay, ato ka.
chunking is effective in learning Chinese? Again, you're in it. So, why do you think lesson chunking is effective in learning Chinese? Thank you for that wonderful question. So, this lesson chunking is very effective in learning because it allows to break the information into small parts and more manageable parts, and it allows the students to grasp the information really, and also it enhances the better retention of knowledge. Thanks.
No questions, H.
Why should teachers personalize the learning of their students? Again, why should teachers personalize the learning of their students?
Teachers should personalize learning because each student have different strengths, learning styles, and also different interests. So as a teacher, you must put into account that there's a diversity of students. So you must enhance the pedagogy and look for a better strategies to enhance learning.
Thank you, Miss Asia. Let's welcome Miss Juru.
So, Miss Hero, here's your question. So, many teachers struggling in managing their lessons, given the concept and process of lesson chunking. How will you encourage them to use it? So, many teachers struggling in managing their lessons, given the concept and process of lesson chunking. How will you encourage them to use it? I will explain that lesson chunking helps lessons easier to manage and understand. By breaking lessons into smaller parts, teachers can focus on one idea at a time. It also keeps students engaged because they learn in short, clear steps. I'd encourage teachers to try it as it reduces stress and helps students grasp concepts better. Start small, plan a chance ahead, and see how it makes teaching smoother and learning more effective. Thank you. Next question, please.
Hello, Miss Kim. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
So, your question is, coming into school today. Okay, your question is, if you are a teacher, how can you accommodate the different needs of the students? Again, if you are a teacher, how can you accommodate the different needs of a student?
I would get to know my students better. I would use different teaching methods like visual, hands-on activities, and group work to help everyone learn. For students who need extra help, I'd give them simpler tasks or more time to complete their work. I'd also challenge advanced students with harder activities to keep them engaged.
Let's welcome our third delegates. We have Miss Africa. Please come forward.
Hello, good afternoon, Miss Africa. How does Mr. Chucky manage the time to spin to the again? How does Mr. Chucky manage the time to spin to the
For me, lesson chunky managed to spend the time in a classroom by dividing into smaller topics. It made the students more essential in that way, and also it broadens the perspective and the knowledge of that student.
Paksa ko, Mama. Paksa ko.
Why is it important that students not learning in just their own but also from others? Okay, why is it important that students not learning in just their own but also from others?
In my perspective, simply because it enables students to broaden their knowledge, to gain some perspectives from different people, and it made them more knowledgeable in that way, and it also promotes a sense of collaboration in other people. That's all.
Thank you so much, Miss Africa. And the fourth delegate to face the question, we have Miss America.
So your question is, how do you think lesson chunky help retaining information better than traditional methods?
That's a wonderful question. I believe lesson chunking is a revolutionary way to empower learners by breaking down complex information into manageable pieces. And we honor the natural rhythm of how the brain processes and retain knowledge. It allows learners to fully grasp and absorb each idea without feeling overwhelmed. This approach ensures not only understanding but a lasting impact, making education more inclusive and effective for everyone.
Hello, America. So your second question is, if you are a teacher, how important to you to creating a challenge to students enable them to achieve their best? Again, if you are a teacher, how important to you creating a challenge to students enable them to achieve their best?
Thank you for that intriguing question. As a teacher, I don't see challenges as barriers but as opportunities.
Oh, no, perfect.
By presenting the students with meaningful challenges, we ignite their full potential and push them to exceed their own expectations. It is through this moment of effort and perseverance to discover their own strength, grow their confidence, and
Thank you, Bernadette.
thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss America. And last but not the least, we have Miss Oceania. The continent Oceania is same with the Australia. Yes.
Okay, my question for you, Ms. Koshana. Can you provide an example of how lesson tracking can be used in a real-world scenario?
Thank you for this wonderful question, ma'am. So lesson chunking is a strategy where the complex information is breaking down into smaller parts, and it can be used in various ways. For example, you are giving a procedure or a steps to your students. Then you're going to break down any information of that procedure in order for your students to learn about your recipe or anything. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Shana, your second question.
Yes.
Do you think planning and designing a lesson should be done by a teacher, even though she is already a pro? Do you think planning and designing a lesson should be done by a teacher, even though she is already a pro?
Yes, of course. And when you are a pro teacher, you need to create a lesson plan for you to evaluate yourself which areas you need to improve or which areas of the students you need to assist. Oh, that's the important of lesson planning, not only because you are a pro, but in order for you to make a teaching strategies that cater the diverse students you have. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Masutama. Again, let's give a round of applause to our delegates. Okay, at this moment, you have the freedom to ask questions regarding personal, yes, personal like perceptions or opinions or about the content inside their continents, like favorite food or what the kind of system that they have.
Closed door interview.
Yes, that's what we call closed door interview from the press. Okay. So the flow must just go like this. Like for example, I have Miss, and then Miss will stand up and he will choose delegates to answer her question. Like Miss America, then come ninyo i-rate sa kuan. But the overall na. Yes. And then mahurot na ato ang time. Yes. Okay. Now, you have the freedom to ask questions to our beautiful delegates. Who will go first? Yes. Dapat subjective lang. Okay. Mr. John Jeremy Soy, please stand up. I would like to ask a question to you. Oh my God. Please. What makes you beautiful today?
Of
May
course,
na ba?
what makes me beautiful today is because of my confidence, I guess. That's all.
Wow, perfect! The confidence, 1,000,000%.
Okay, Miss Elaine.
I would like to ask America. What makes you proud?
You might blush on.
Okay, Miss, we have Miss Lilian Bautista.
What brand of makeup did you use?
Actually, I use various brands of makeup. I don't know what's it.
What makes your country unique? Is there a lot of fish?
Oceania is a debated continent because Australia is Oceania is located near the eastern and western hemisphere, and it is the center of the water hemisphere.
Okay, Miss Christian Mabali.
So I believe that Asia.
Miss Asia.
Okay, Miss Asia. If you are to promote your content, Asia, what tagline will you use to promote the content Asia? Tagline. Yeah, tagline.
Oh, yes.
I would like to use the tagline na pinigin ang sarili natin because because Philippines is part of Asia and we're living in the Philippines. So that's why we need to
Okay, I have a question.
Next. Anyone? Okay, Miss Diana.
If God will give you a chance to swap face with you, will you accept it or not? And why?
I would accept it.
Guys, Miss Westerly again. So you're given three chances. Three chances. Miss Africa.
If you are given a chance to change your course, what would it be and what?
I guess if I would be given a chance to change my course, it would be a newscaster. What do you call that one in a specific?
Journalism.
Sure, yeah, journalism. Oh, mass communication because
I mass
I believe
communication.
I have the potential, I have the courage, and I have the confidence to deal with it.
Joanne, please choose your delegate.
So what do you choose? Brain or beauty?
Obviously, we choose brain because beauty is subjective. However, if I would be to choose between beauty and brain, I would choose both because I possess all
Miss Inara Escose, please choose your delegate. Miss Oceania.
What makes the world a better place is where inclusivity is rewind. So what makes the world a better place is where inclusivity promotes. Because when there is an inclusivity, we respect each other because we are diverse in everyone, right?
Okay, Miss Bisamia Hostol.
So my question goes to Miss Africa. So what makes the difference among the other continent candidates?
So, Balik,
Marvin, can you please repeat in a specific way in what what makes you uniqueness? My uniqueness. Yeah, I need to be myself. So I guess I am unique, and I have this burning passion in my heart that I think drives me to deal with life and to go on with different problems, and I think also with my passion and my dedication and my study that makes me unique.
Miss Christian Derry, Mr.
So this question is for Miss Asia. So, the question is, if you're given a chance to be in a world of fantasy, what fantasy do you want to happen in your life? Again, if you're given a chance to be in a world of fantasy, what fantasy you want to happen in your life?
Okay, for that wonderful question, if I was given a chance to go in the fantasy one, I will choose Sophia the first. Because I'm also very princess of the I would choose the universe and become a princess.
Di ba punta na pa dito, Sophie?
I want to be zero. So I wrote it in the suppose that you are living in a country that you are
Are you done?
Done na done.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for your cooperation.
Dahil paliho ko daw.
And then, the live for the coronation is on Wednesday. Yes.
Next week.
Yung